Hello and welcome back to another EBS video. Subscribe now and don't miss the next one. Today we're breaking down all the symbols you'll find on your SD card. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or just curious, this video will help you understand what those symbols really mean. For more details, pictures, and explanation, don't forget to check out the original blog post linked in the description of this video. Let's talk some more about symbols. The first thing you'll notice on an SD card is the storage capacity, usually marked in gigabytes GB or terabytes TB. This tells you how much data the card can store. It's important to choose a card with enough capacity for your needs, especially if you're dealing with high-resolution images or videos. On our website, each of the products has an estimated number of photo files and video files in its description, but I'll also link below the like button a graphic for other miscellaneous files. Next, let's talk about card type. You'll see symbols like SD, SDHC, and SDXC. Essentially, these indicate the card's capacity range. SD is anything up to 2 gigabytes, SDHC is from 2 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes, and SDXC is for 32 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. Technically, SD is actually SDSC, which stands for Secure Digital Standard Capacity, but it is almost always just abbreviated to SD. Now, because of data growing with time, almost all new SD cards are SDXC, so likely this is not a symbol that is going to factor into any purchasing decision that you make. Almost all of the other symbols on an SD or micro SD card refer to the read-write speed of the card, specifically the minimum read speed. For example, the first major way that we used to differentiate between card speed was by class. You'd have class 4 and class 10 that were marked by a C4 or C10 logo. Those were the most popular and designated the minimum consecutive read-write speed. These are almost entirely outdated now that we have faster speed ratings. Still relevant today is the UHS speed class marked with the letter U. It's going to be either U1 or U3, 10 megabytes per second or 30 megabytes per second minimum write speed respectively. Another symbol you'll see on your microSD or SD card is the video speed class. It's marked with a V and is either V30, V60, or V90. Technically there is V10, but you will hardly ever see that. Again, these represent the minimum speeds. As in the name, video shooters will want to pay attention to the video speed class as it is an important symbol to review based on your camera recording quality. Some cameras require a certain video speed class. The last of the internal differences that have a symbol on the front label is the application performance marked by an A1 or A2. In short, A2 is faster. If you want more details on this, visit the link under the subscribe button. Most cards today are at least 10 megabytes per second minimum speed, but if you need something faster, look for a U3, V30, or more. Now you may also notice symbols for ultra high speed, like UHS-I or UHS-II, which represent the card's data transfer capabilities. This is a noticeable difference on the back of the card as well, not just a label on the front. UHS-II cards, both SD and microSD, have an extra row of pins that allow for even faster transfer rates, ideal for 4K video or burst photography. We have an additional blog on the website that our president wrote that talks about the differences between UHS-I and UHS-II. I will link that article and video below the like button. So that wraps up our quick guide on SD card symbols. If you want to learn more or need a refresher, make sure to check out the full blog posted linked below. And don't forget to subscribe to get notifications when the next video comes out. If this video was a benefit to you, share it with someone else. Thanks for watching.